Hi everyone, I'm Alice Henson. I'm a fourth grade math teacher at Timber Lakes Elementary. So this week I'd like to show you how to do a conditional format on your spreadsheets in order to have a good visual on that data from your students within your spreadsheets. And so that is this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Okay, so when we have our document and we want to set the conditional formatting, we want to select the cells that we want formatted. So I want to enter the scores for the CFA 1 and CFA 2. So I select those cells and I'm going to click format, and then I'm going to go down to conditional formatting, and this is where I'm going to enter those ranges. So I can see that I have cells B2 through C8 selected. For my first rule, I want to set that value for anything less than 49. So I want to go to less than, and I'm going to enter that score of 49. And then the color that I want to fill for anything 49 or less, I'm going to put as red. Then I want to add another rule where the value of 50 to 69, so I'm going to say between, the value between is between, and then it's going to give me that option of 50 to 69. And then that color I'm going to set to orange. And then I'm going to apply another rule, and I'm going to say between 70 and 89. And you can set any value that you want, or if you want to set these as groups. And I'm going to set that as green. And then I'm going to apply one more, and I'm going to say greater than or equal to 90. So 90 and above will be blue. And then when I go over and enter their scores, so at 24, that should come up red. When I enter John's and he made a 91, that should be blue. Then when I go down and enter Tina's and she made a 71, that should be green. And then I'm gonna put Aaron's in, he made a 54. There's that orange, and then he made a 12, and so on. So then it's formatted, and I can clearly see how I can group my kids maybe for review and just see that data quickly as it's color-coded. Thanks for joining me today on learning how to format our spreadsheets. And don't forget to meet us back here next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.